Most people know when a paint job does not look right. They just cannot always explain why. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and today I want to give you a clearer picture of what actually goes into a paint job that looks the way it should, because it is more involved than most people realize. The first thing to understand is that paint is not just about color. It is about layers, preparation, and process. A proper automotive paint job starts well before any paint is applied. The surface has to be clean, smooth, and properly prepared. Any rust, corrosion, or rough texture in the substrate will eventually show through, even if the initial result looks acceptable. That is why prep work is one of the most important and often least visible parts of the job. From there, primer is applied. The primer provides adhesion, fills surface imperfections, and creates a consistent foundation for the top coat. Rushing or skipping steps here is one of the most common ways a paint job can fail to hold up long term. Then comes color matching. This is where a lot of people notice problems after a repair. Even if the paint code is exactly right, color can still be off. Paint ages on a vehicle. It fades slightly over years of sun exposure. The new paint and the existing paint may need to be blended carefully so the transition is not noticeable. Color matching today involves technology, skill, and judgment. The code is a starting point, not a guarantee. Then comes the clear coat, which provides protection and the gloss you see when you look at the finished surface. Application technique, temperature, and timing all affect the final result. The right paint job looks the same in bright sunlight as it does in shade. It matches the surrounding panels. It does not show texture differences, orange peel, or uneven gloss. It holds up to washing, UV exposure, and normal road conditions over time. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, paint is not an afterthought. It is part of the repair, and it matters to us as much as the bodywork itself. Because a vehicle that has been in an accident should look like it never happened. And that standard takes real attention to detail. If your vehicle needs paint work and you want it done to a standard that holds up, contact Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We take paint seriously because it is how the whole repair shows.